Hi everybody, welcome to Champion Trading. What we're demonstrating for you today, this is the Greerco 1L model laboratory homogenizing mixer. We're going to show it to you running, but we're going to show you a couple of features first. It has the umbrella flow deflector here, which is unique to Greeco. And you'll see there's a small locator pin on it, and that fits right into the homogenizer. Then it has a homogenizing head rather. It has a small little collar right here. We're going to just set that in position so it can't move around while we're running. It also has the adjustable deflector plate here, up and down, to control your flow as it exits the head, going upwards. And let's turn that in there. It has a laboratory stand with it. We're going to just back that off a little bit. That in. Has a laboratory stand which is operated right here. It is also rather uniquely, it's spring loaded, so you can just slide it up and down. You want to always immerse your head into the fluid before you run it. This has a Baldor motor on it which runs at 7,500 RPM. We're running our homogenizer through a variable speed controller right here. And it's a variable transformer. You just turn it up to any speed you want. You can see the flow is deflected by the plate. As you move it, you'll see, your flow comes up a little bit, so we don't want to get splashed, so we're going to just leave that in its present position. A little splashing here, we don't have enough water in it. But we are at full speed, and we're getting a little wet here, so we want to slow that down. This is operating on 120 volts. It's a very nice little unit. Greerco's been making these for 50 years and one of the top preferred laboratory homogenizers. You can see this on our website under our mixers homogenizing section. So from the home page, click on mixers and then the subset homogenizing, and you'll see everything we do have in stock. Look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us for this video today.